Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about the development of prisms. Yesterday we discussed how the prism is developed, that is square prism, how it is developed, and the plane prism. During development of the prism, we have requirement of the base line, or basic requirement is the side of that prism should be required and height of that prism should be required. Now today we will discuss how that prism is going to develop. Yesterday we discussed about square prism. Today the example of development is for development of pentagonal prism. The problem statement is that a pentagonal prism of base 30 mm base side and 50 mm axis height is standing on HP on its base, with one side of the base is perpendicular to VP. It is cut by a section plane inclined at 45 degree to the HP through midpoint of the axis. Draw the front view, sectional top view and sectional side view. Also draw the true shape of the section and development of the surface of remaining solid. This is the question for the development of pentagonal prism. Now, as in previous some lectures, I am repeatedly told you that regarding the problem, when you read the problem statement, you have to write down the given data for that problem. Now, in this problem, the given data is the pentagonal prism of 30 mm base side, that is base of that pentagonal prism is 30 mm and the axis height is 50 mm. Okay, this is the first given data. Second data is regarding the condition. The prism is standing on the HP on its base. Okay, the base जो है उसके ऊपर वो HP के ऊपर stand है, and one side of the base is perpendicular to VP. उसके एक कौन सी भी side है वो perpendicular to VP है. Now second condition is, this is first condition. Second condition is it is cut by a section plane inclined at 45 degree to HP. Okay, उसको एक ऐसे सेक्शन ने कट किया है जो 45 डिग्री इंक्लाइन टू HP है, एंड थ्रू द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द एक्सिस, उसका जो हाइट एक्सिस है उसके मिड पॉइंट से वो कट होता है, वैसा वो कट किया है. वी हैव टू डेवलप ऑल दी सेक्शंस और व्यूज ऑफ दैट pentagonal prism. Now let us see how it is drawn. For true shape, okay, solutions, we have to draw the solutions. Draw three views of standing prism. Locate section plane in first view as described. Project points where the edges are getting cut, and on top view and section as section side view as shown in illustration. Join these points in a sequence and show the section lines in it. Okay, making the remaining part of the solid. जो solid का remaining part है वो उसमें लिखना, ड्रॉ करना है. So let us draw the pentagonal prism first. As we all know that the prism is standing on the HP. As this pentagonal prism is standing on HP means the top view, the actual pentagonal shape of that prism, it will be clearly visible in the top view, that is below XY line. So for that purpose we have to draw first of all the XY line. This is the XY line of that problem. To draw first XY line, which is horizontal line, mention the name of that line is XY line. Next, the pentagonal shape of that pentagonal shape of that prism will be visible in top view, but the condition for that is the one side of that pentagonal prism is perpendicular to VP. That is, we have to draw the pentagon in such a way that in top view that the one side of that pentagon is perpendicular to XY line. Perpendicular to VP means you have to mention it in perpendicular to XY line. Okay, now for that purpose draw a XY line first. Draw a vertical line perpendicular to VP. Okay, and mark the point, these 2 points here are these D and C which are 30 mm of its side base. जितना भी उसका पेंटागन का बेस है उतना हमें निकालना है, which is 30 mm side base. After that, taking this distance, now the internal angle of the pentagon is 72 degree. ये जो internal angle है वो 72 डिग्री रहता है. ये जो internal angle है वो 72 डिग्री रहता है. Okay, and draw these two lines which are at 72 degrees with each other from these 2 points which are at 30 degree, that is base of that pentagon. Draw this line 30 mm which is point E and point B. Locate point E and point B. After that, take a distance equal to 30 mm in a compass, and by taking this distance, mark this point A as shown in the figure. So you will get the pentagon of A, B, C, D, E, A side, which is clearly visible in the top view. This is the shape of that pentagon in top view. This is the first step of drawing your starting your drawing. Next step is that step in which take the projections of these points in front view. Okay, now this point A is here. Locate this point A. Now point A and A dash, extend this line to the vertical height of that prism, which is the measures 50 mm of the axis height. Okay, this is the axis height 50 mm of that pentagonal prism. This is axis height 50 mm. Next, from BE may extend this line at 50 mm, that is this is 50 mm BE line or projector or edge of that pentagon, which is clearly visible in front view. Next, CD, which is also 50 mm, this is total rectangle of 50 mm side of CD line will be clearly visible in front view. So this is the second step of your problem. Now next, now you have to development निकालना है उसका, मतलब we have to develop this pentagonal prism in such a way that as it is a pentagonal prism, the sides of that object are 5 sides, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, there are 5 sides of that object. Now this is the first line, vertical line, which is the for development of that pentagonal prism. Draw a line parallel to the edge of that pentagon and mark that point as A, or mark that line as A dash. Again, taking distance equal to 30 mm, take B dash, again 30 mm C dash, again 30 mm D dash, again 30 mm E dash and A dash. These are the common development of that pentagonal prism before cutting the section. Okay, now complete this simple development. After that, now apply the conditions on that pentagon which are given in the problem. What is the condition of cutting plane? The condition of cutting plane is it is cut by a section plane inclined at 45 degree to the HP and passing through the midpoint of the axis. So this is the vertical line. Now axis you have to draw from this point, connect all these angle bisectors, you will get the axis point in top view. Extend this axis point in front view. This dotted line, center line, shows the center of the pentagonal prism. Now in this axis point, on this axis point, mark the point which is at 25 mm. That is the total height of pentagon is 50 mm and 45 degree section plane is cut at the half the height of that or center midpoint of that axis. So the midpoint of the axis is 25 mm. This is total 50 mm. Okay, then after that, draw a line from the center point or this midpoint at 45 degree to the HP. This is XY line is HP. So from this you have to draw here angle 45 degree and draw a dotted line which is cutting plane or section plane of your object. ये जो dotted line है वो आपके ऑब्जेक्ट का कटिंग प्लेन है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट After cutting this section to the pentagon, you will get point A dash, B dash, E dash, and C dash, D dash. You will get the point. These points you will get after cutting the plane. Now project all these points. You have to project all these points. A डैश का पॉइंट यहाँ आपने कट किया यहाँ से, वो आपको प्रोजेक्ट करना है इधर. बाद में बी डैश ई डैश का जो है वो आपको प्रोजेक्ट करना है इधर. सी डैश ई डैश का है, ये भी आपको उधर प्रोजेक्ट करना है. मतलब म्हणजे तुम्हाला हे तिन्ही पॉईंट प्रोजेक्ट करायचे आहेत तुमच्या डेव्हलपमेंटकडं. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे ए डॅश, बी डॅश, सी डॅश, डी डॅश, ई डॅश, डी डॅश, ई डॅश, ई डॅश, ए डॅश, ए डॅश, हे पॉईंट तुम्हाला भेटलेले आहेत. ओके. Now for development, draw the development of entire solid. Name the cut open A, that is A, in a sequence as shown in figure. Mark the cut points on the respective edges. Join them in a sequence, straight lines, and mark the existing parts development dark. म्हणजे आता आपण बघूया पहिल्यापासून काय काय काढलं. सगळ्यात आधी आपण रिवाइज करू प्रॉब्लेम चालू असतानाच की सगळ्यात आधी आपण पेंटागॉन काढला. पेंटागॉनची साईड 30 mm आहे. Side of pentagon is 30 mm. The one side of the pentagon is perpendicular to VP. That is why we draw on this perpendicular side to the pentagonal prism to the XY. After that we develop in front view. आपण front view ला develop केलं. हा pentagon पूर्णपणे व्यवस्थित त्याचा ॲक्सिस आहे, सेंटर लाईन ॲक्सिस हा. त्यानंतर आपण इथं डेव्हलपमेंट केली, त्याची पूर्णपणे डेव्हलपमेंट काढली. ते जे की त्याचा हॉरिझॉन्टल प्रोजेक्शन घेऊन त्याची डेव्हलपमेंट पूर्ण काढली. त्याच्यानंतर आफ्टर दॅट वी कट अ सेक्शन प्लेन विच इज ॲट 45 डिग्री टू द ॲक्सिसला 45 डिग्रीला आहे आणि ॲक्सिसला 45 डिग्रीला आहे म्हणल्यावर कुठं कुठं कट होतं ते ए डॅशला, बी डॅश, ई डॅशला, सी डॅश, डी डॅशला ते कट होताना आपल्याला दिसून येत आहे. त्यानंतर आफ्टर दॅट फॉर डेव्हलपिंग दी फिगर वी प्रोजेक्टेड दिस ए इन द डेव्हलपमेंट सरफेस, B dash, E dash in developed surface, C dash, D dash, which are the cutting points to that prism. That is, this section line or cutting line is the intersection point of the edge of that prism. म्हणजे प्रिझमचा एज आणि ते सेक्शन प्लेन जिथं कट होतो त्याला मार्क केला. प्रिझमचा एज कोणकोणता आहे? ए डॅश हा वर्टिकल एज आहे, बी डॅश, ई डॅश, बी डॅश, ई डॅश हा वर्टिकल एज आहे, ह्याच्यामध्ये 2 आहेत. सी डॅश, डी डॅश, सी डॅश, डी डॅश इथं 2 आहेत. ह्याला जिथं जिथं कट झालं त्याला आपण नाव दिलं, म्हणजे ए बी सी डी ई, आणि त्याचे प्रोजेक्शन इकडे घेतले. आफ्टर दॅट नाव दिस प्रोजेक्शन लाईन ऑफ ए, ही जी ए लाईन आहे प्रोजेक्शनची, ही प्रोजेक्शनची ए लाईन इकडं कट होते. ए आणि एला कट होते, बरोबर आहे. ए आणि एला तिथं प्रोजेक्शन लाईन कट होते, म्हणजे इथं एला हे कट होतं आहे आणि त्या एला ते कट होतं आहे तिथं. त्याला मार्क केलं आपण. हे पॉईंट भेटला आपल्याला फर्स्ट पॉईंट अँड दिस सेकंड पॉईंट वी गॉट इन दिस फिगर. ओके. आफ्टर दॅट बी डॅश, ई डॅश, टेक अ प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ दॅट बी डॅश, ई डॅश इन अ हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन. यू विल गेट दिस बी डॅश पॉईंट हेअर अँड ई डॅश पॉईंट हेअर. ओके. C dash, D dash, you will get the projection from this C dash and this D dash. Now in a development we got all the points which are related to that cutting plane. Draw these or connect all these points with a straight line. Draw straight line here, straight line here, here. Since it is a pentagonal prism, the cutting line after that will be visible in a straight line. वो हमें कौन सी किस में दिखेगी? स्ट्रेट लाइन में हमें दिखाई देगी, इसलिए हमने वो क्या किया है, उसको कट किया है. ओके. नाउ दिस इज द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ दैट पेंटागोनल प्रिज्म. ये उसका पेंटागोनल प्रिज्म का डेवलपमेंट है. नाउ ट्रू शेप विल बी विजिबल on the parallel line which is the auxiliary view of that cutting plane, parallel line to that cutting section plane. This is dotted line or center line shows your section plane or cutting plane line. Draw a line parallel x1 y1 to that plane, and above that you have to draw the true shape of that prism after cutting. Okay, now take a projection C dash E dash perpendicular to that x1 y1 line. x1 y1 लाईनला परपेंडिक्युलर तुम्हाला C dash D dash मधून लाईन घ्यायची आहे. यू हॅव टू टेक दॅट लाईन which is perpendicular to that x1 y1. Also take B dash E dash from this x1 y1. Also take A dash from this x1 y1. Okay, now mark C dash D dash on that line which is 30 mm. जे 30 mm आहे ते 30 mm राहणार आहे. Take a distance equal to C dash E dash D dash which is 30 mm. Again you will get the point A on the similar line. Okay, now before drawing this you have to draw this section side view of that figure. How can you draw the side view? Side view will be C dash D dash line will be here, B dash line will be here, and A dash line will be here. This is your pentagonal prism. Yes, C dash D dash is fixed, B dash E dash is fixed on this line. These projections are taken from the top view. As you will be clearly visible that from top view this E dash line will be taken here, D dash line will be taken here, A dash line will be taken here, is taken here, and C dash line is taken here, B dash is here. So these all the purple color projections, vertical projections are taken from the top view of that pentagonal prism. Here you have to draw the pentagon which is C dash D dash. Here C dash and D dash projection cut meets. Now this vertical projection taken from top view and horizontal cutting projection, cutting plane point projection from the front view match these projections. This is D dash line, vertical line, and D dash horizontal. You will get D point. C dash horizontal line and C dash vertical. You will get C dash. B dash horizontal line and D dash E dash horizontal line. You will get it is B dash E dash line, A dash and A dash horizontal line. So this you will get point A, B, C, D, E point. Now this is the sectional side view of that prism, pentagonal prism. Now through this you have to mark this point on this line. C dash D dash will be similar as that of this. Now take a distance D dash E dash and mark point C from D from, and mark here E point. From C mark here point B point. Okay, after that from E and B mark point A which is on the line of that prism. So this is what the pentagonal prism is drawn in the sectional side view, top view, development, and true shape. Now here are some important points. For true shape, draw x1 y1 parallel to section plane. Draw the projectors on it from cut points. Mark the distances of points of the sectioned part from top view on above projectors from x1 y1 and join in the sequence. Draw the section lines in it. It is required true shape. ते तुमचा required true shape असेल. So this is what the pentagonal prism development. In next lecture we will discuss another point which is the development of pyramid, of square pyramid का जो development है वो हम कैसा करना है वो हम देखेंगे. काही अडचण असेल तर मुलांनी मला बिनधास्त विचारायची आहे. याच्यावर तुम्हाला एक होमवर्क करायचा आहे मुलांना. You have to do a homework that here in this problem we have taken 30 mm side base of a pentagonal prism and 50 mm height axis height standing on HP. Here you have to take homework about 40 mm side base and 80 mm axis height of the prism, and it is cut by a section plane which is at 40 degree to the HP. यहाँ 45 डिग्री उसका HP को इंटरसेक्शन दिया है, उसको आपको 40 डिग्री लेना है टू द HP एंड पासिंग थ्रू द 45 mm above the XY line. Okay, from the bottom it cuts at 45 mm. वो आपको सेक्शन में या उसके एग्जाम्पल में लेना है, ये उसका अलग पॉइंट आपको पता होना चाहिए। तो ये होमवर्क है, मतलब कि आपको, अब फिर बताता हूँ मैं आपको एग्जांपल होमवर्क के लिए। 40 mm बेस लेना है, 80 mm एक्सिस हाइट लेनी है, परपेंडिकुलर सिमिलर रहेगा, कटिंग बाय सेक्शन प्लेन है तो 40 डिग्री, एंड पासिंग थ्रू दी डिस्टेंस 45 mm फ्रॉम द बेस से 45 mm को कट होता है एक्सिस को, उसका आपको कंडीशन लेना है। So this is what the pentagonal prism, development of prism. Thank you.